I faked the whole trip to Paris. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Suaad. Welcome. Make sure you subscribe and join the family. So today's video we are going to be talking about my trip to Paris. A lot of you guys were like, is this Photoshop? Is this, you know, what is going on? So today we're going to address it. It was a fake holiday. I wanted to see how believable it would be for me to do a little fake holiday. If you want to see the pictures that I uploaded, I'll put my Instagram link and all my other socials down here so you guys can follow me. You know, a lot of people on Instagram been having these little, you know, holiday blues. Everyone just re-uploading old pictures that they took on holiday and stuff. So I thought, you know, I've seen a couple of videos on YouTube where people faked holidays. So I thought, you know what, perfect idea for me to try fake a holiday. So I had to choose a country that was out of lockdown, but not too far away, because I didn't want it to be like a fake thing where I'll be like, oh yeah, I'm going to Bali, and then I can't even get there. So we chose Paris because Paris already, you know, France already reopened, so it was like the easiest options to choose. Then I decided to scroll through Instagram and Pinterest and stuff to find a newsfeed that I can use to upload on my Instagram feed. When I found the right pictures that I wanted to use for my story and for my Instagram feed, I saved the pictures and we started photoshopping. So I absolutely have no idea how to use Photoshop. Like, I've never used Photoshop in my life. Don't even have it on my phone or on my laptop. So first thing that I had to do was download Photoshop. I downloaded it and I tried to watch like a couple tutorials to see what kind of pictures I can, like, you know, re-edit and stuff like that. Then I also asked a couple people that have been to France already if they can send me a couple snaps that I can use. One being my cousin, and she goes, yeah, I'm gonna send you some, and she never did. But that's why we have Instagram, that's why we have Snapchat. So what I did is I stole a couple people's pictures, I stole a couple people's Snapchat stories. I am so sorry, and don't be stealing people's things unless you're going to credit them. But I just had to do it because I feel like, you know, you guys had to believe it. So and those are like the ones that I uploaded. I'll show you here. So those are the ones that I uploaded on my story, just to be like, oh yeah, you know, I'm in Paris, like looking at the Eiffel Tower, when I'm technically really in my bed. But me also trying to keep in mind that, you know, I have to make it look as realistic as I can, and also making sure that, you know, my zero skills wasn't gonna embarrass me. Then it was time for me to go take some pictures. I'll put them here so you can see. So I took this picture in my garden and then I turned it into this. So I think it's a good little, you know, Photoshop. I don't think you can notice unless you zoom in properly, but it doesn't matter, we'll see how it goes. The second picture that we're going to use is a picture that I took in Italy already back in December, but I haven't uploaded it on Instagram, so it was easy for me to use. So we're going to put, so this is the picture, and then we are going to turn it into this. It looks a bit fake, but it doesn't really matter, because I feel like I need to have like a couple fake pictures with a couple real pictures, you know. Like, then I wanted to recreate this little breakfast like, you know, breakfast view thing that everyone does when they go to Paris, is at this expensive hotel. I don't have money like that, but I thought, you know, let me try use it. But then I found this picture and that looked too expensive for me, like, you know, from the ghetto and we do not go to places like that. So I had to find a picture that was more toned down, more, you know, fitting with my lifestyle. So this is the picture that we used. You know, I had a lot of trouble trying to edit these pictures because certain angles the shadow wasn't fitting, and then the sun was shining from the other side to how I was standing. It was just a lot of mess. So sometimes I had to like flip the picture to make sure that the sun was in the right place, and I, for my life, could not edit any shadows into my picture. So some of them just looks so fake, but it doesn't matter. We're just still gonna use it, still gonna, you know, upload it and see how it goes. Normally when I do like when I'm going on holiday and stuff, like I always do little clips of where I'm like, you know, with my passport and my bag, and like videos of like when I'm in the area and stuff. So what I did is I uploaded this snap with like my passport and my bag, just to act like I was actually going somewhere. As we start the trip today, and I uploaded like the snap last night, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to upload my first actual Instagram picture that I edited. The first one is just going to be the easy simple edit one that I did, where I'm just looking at the Eiffel Tower, and then we are going to see what people say. So I am very nervous. I don't know why I feel like I'm doing a criminal activity, because like it just feels like I'm not like uploading something that I'm like so proud of, you know. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I've got my phone, so we're gonna upload our first picture. I'm so nervous, like I don't understand why. And then I'm gonna caption it something easy and simple. I'm just gonna be like, Paris is always a good idea. Okay guys, the picture is up. I'm very nervous, so we're just gonna let that sit for a couple, you know, minutes, an hour or so, and then I'll get back to you guys and see what people's been saying. Okay guys, so 3-4 hours has passed, and I'm really surprised because it got 200 likes. I'm very shocked. Nobody really said anything. Like everyone is saying, oh my god, have fun, you know, I hope you enjoy it, you look really nice, stuff like that. A lot of like heart faces and like hearts and stuff. So I feel like the first picture succeeded because nobody really said anything big, like, you know. So I think like we succeeded on this picture, so hopefully we can do that with the rest. I actually do really feel bad because there's a lot of people that have been messaging me saying, you know, oh my god, how did you get there, what did you take, our flight's going again, like, you know, did you drive or what did you do? I just told them I drove. Some of my friends, I can't lie to my friends, so I told my friends, I was like, you know, it's just an experiment, you know. Some people, I didn't even reply back to their messages because I didn't want to lie and be like, oh, by the way, I didn't go, but it's for a video, and then like I'm just exposing myself. So I just let it sit there. I'll reply back to everyone once like I upload my third picture or something. But yeah, like I just feel really bad because like a lot of people be messaging like, oh my god, like, you know, I hope you have fun, you know, like I really want to go, you know. So awkward. It's the next day, guys. There was no other messages. A couple more people just DM me saying, oh, you know, how did you go and stuff like that, but nothing ordinary. So we are going to be uploading the second day. The picture that I'm using, I tried to do like a breakfast thing. A lot of people do these breakfast little, not ratchet, but along the lines, I guess, and here, and then that's the one that I edited myself in. I took it on by my dining table and literally just took 2 snaps, and I was like, yep, we're going to use this. So that's the picture that we're going to upload next. So it looks, if you look at it, it looks so fake, and I know people are actually going to be saying a lot of stuff because I can look at it and be like, that is so fake, you know. Call it a breakfast with a view, and I feel like this is the picture where people are going to clock on that it's actually fake. So here we go, I'll put it up and we'll see what people say. So I waited another hour or so, and it got over 200 likes. So this is actually doing pretty well. 200 likes, even though you can see that is so fake. Like if you look at it, you can see that it's completely fake. But I feel like in this one a lot of people clocked on. Someone was like, someone said, are you doing a Photoshop challenge or something? Someone else said, wait, is this not real? This has to be a prank. And then someone else said, what is this Photoshop? And then a lot of other people loved the picture, so not really sure You know, I feel like a lot of people are just being nice and be like, oh, okay, you know, nice, you know. But for the most part, not a lot of people are saying anything. You know, a lot of people DM me saying that is so fake, like, what are you doing? Someone else said, I know you're lying, like, what's going on? I feel like a lot of people are clocking on, you know. So this picture was a bit hard to edit, but it's not a problem. We're still gonna keep going. I have like another one picture to upload tomorrow, and then we should be finishing the challenge. So hopefully nobody else comes up and tells me that it's a fake. I know it's fake, but you shouldn't know that it's fake, you know. You should believe that I'm on this holiday. So guys, today is the last day where we are going to upload the last picture of this fake trip that we're doing. I feel like by now everyone clocked on, because I've been getting a lot of messages be like, you're lying, you know, you're like just doing a fake video. Are you doing like a Photoshop video? Are you doing this? Are you doing that? I feel like a lot of people clocked on by now, but it doesn't matter. We're still going to upload the last picture and see what people say at the end of it, and then we're going to wrap it up and upload this video after. So the picture that I'm actually using at the moment is this picture that I'm going to be uploading, and I took this picture from someone else, so I just cropped her out and then I put myself in her position. Problem is, I didn't know how to shadow under the shoes, so I just cut off the shoe. I'm gonna cut off the shoe when I'm like uploading on my Instagram, so because I don't want people to be like, what is your leg doing, because it looks like it's floating anyway. So yeah, let's just upload it and see what people say. So guys, it's been a couple hours since I uploaded the picture. It has over 200 and something likes. I feel like a lot of people were clocking on a little bit. They were like, you know, why does it look photoshopped? Did you even go on this holiday, you know? And then some people that were like, oh, you know, you're pretty and stuff. Like, I don't know if people just want to be nice, but I got a lot of like DMs saying, you know, this is fake, like, what is going on? Like, why does your picture look like this, you know? But I feel like a lot of people knew. I was gonna upload more pictures and stuff like that, but I just kind of got bored of finding like stories to upload on my story and stuff like that, and I didn't want it to be like dragged. So, and plus a lot of people clocked on already anyway, so I thought I might as well just end the video here. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just for fun, to show you guys that, you know, sometimes people can like lie online, and you know, if you think your life is not as happy as the other person that is uploading all these nice pictures, or like going on these fancy holidays and stuff, you know, don't put yourself in a category where it's going to be like, oh, you know, why can't I do it, because you never know if this person is actually on this holiday or not, or like maybe it was pictures from like 2 years ago, you know. So just, you know, enjoy the vibe, you know, use social media for like something that you want to use it for and stuff like that. But yeah, I have nothing more to say. If there's any other videos you guys want to see, or if there's any other videos along these lines that you guys want to see, then just let me know and I'll try my best to, you know, fake something else. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Brown skin girl, your skin just like pearl.